Hello, amazing foodie. Today I'm going to show you how to make creamy tapioca with coconut and raisins. Every bite of this tapioca is packed with the lovely flavor of coconut with sweet raisins. I'll take you through the recipe so you can easily make it at home. Now let's get started. First, I'll prepare the tapioca. Uncooked raw tapioca usually comes in dry form like this. So I'll soften it up by soaking it in water overnight. This is what it looks like after soaking overnight. It is soft and this texture is perfect to get creamy tapioca. So I'll set this aside and I'll proceed to make coconut milk for this delicious pudding. First, I'll crack open the coconut shell to get rid of the coconut water because I would not be using coconut water for this recipe. Next, I'll open the shell to get the edible coconut flesh. So, if you love homemade recipes, make sure you watch this to the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next recipe. There are many ways to get coconut flesh out of the coconut shell, but this particular method is the method that reminds me most of my childhood. Now I'll proceed to clean the flesh properly before I use it to make my coconut milk. I'll clean it in a bowl of water. I'll transfer the coconut flesh to my blender cup and then I'd add some water and I'll go ahead to blend it. This is the simple step to make homemade rich coconut milk. This coconut milk is rich and it doesn't contain any preservative. So if you're looking to enjoy organic coconut milk, this is how to make it at home. Now I'll transfer the content of my blender jug into a fine mesh sieve that has been placed over a big bowl. This is to remove the coconut chaff and to separate it from the coconut milk. With my flat spatula, I'll mix everything nicely just so that I can maximize all that I have made. So I'll press the chaff gently so that the coconut milk can drain into the bowl. This is the coconut milk. Look at how creamy it is. I'll transfer it into my pot and it's time to cook. Now I'll add half cup raisins and I'll sweeten it a bit with 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll mix it to combine well. Now add tapioca to the pot. Follow the steps carefully so that you can get nice, soft, and creamy texture. If you'd notice, as I put the tapioca in the pot, I always mix just so that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom of the pot. Now I'll cover my pot and cook for 20 minutes. But every 10 minutes, I'll mix it occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Once it's fully cooked, turn off the heat. And this right here is how soft and nice it looks. Turn off the heat and allow tapioca to cool slightly before serving. So, This is exactly what we want. The coconut milk gives this tapioca a creamy texture and a delicious flavor. If you like your tapioca sweeter, you can add a little more sugar. As you can see, I'm serving my tapioca and it looks really nice. To make it even much more creamier, I'd add a little bit evaporated milk. The combination of creamy tapioca, coconut, and sweet raisins makes this absolutely delicious. I'll mix it well and tapioca is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.